This is a snag list or maintenance follow-up log which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. In the extreme left hand side, we have got serial number, after that equipments, department and our issues. The parts which are highlighted in grey are fully automatic, means fully formulated. We have to do our entry in white parts. When we come to right hand side, over here we have got priority, information date and completion date. Once all the things will be filled, we will be able to see pending days, time taken in completion and status. On the top, we have got space for year. I'll come to left hand side and we'll do some entry over here. Equipment. I'll put AC. Enter. As soon as I inserted equipment name, I got department and person accountable. Issue. I'll put some issue over here. Kitchen AC not working. And I'll hit enter. If the annual maintenance contract or AMC is done for the equipments, we have to click over here and we have to select yes. In case it's not done, we have to select no. Yes will be highlighted in green and no will be highlighted in red. Current AMC date. I'll put some random date over here. Enter. As soon as I inserted current AMC date, we got our AMC renewal date and days pending is 24. When I change the date, we'll do it 10th. Days pending are only 14 and color got changed. When I'll do this 5, means 5th of August, days pending are 9 and it got highlighted in red. Store code. Store code will be managed through drop downs. I'll select a store code over here. Ticket number. As soon as we will insert information date, ticket number will be generated automatically. Priority. We will select a priority from the drop down. Urgent. Information date. I'll take today's date. Enter. As soon as I inserted today's date, our ticket got generated. Means ticket number got generated. I'll come to right. Over here status is pending and pending from days is 0 because I have informed today. I'll put some other back date. I'll put 20th. Enter. Over here pending from days is showing 5. Time taken in completion is 0 or blank and status is pending. I'll put completion date over here. I'll put today's date. Enter. As soon as I inserted completion date, pending from days got 0 and time taken in completion got 5. In status, earlier it was showing pending, now it's showing done. In this format, I haven't used any macros or VBA code. To create this format, we will need some data and I have kept my data in my setting sheet. In setting sheet, I have got my store codes, equipment names, department and accountable person. Let's start creating a new format now. I have inserted a new sheet. We'll rename the sheet as settings. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll align all the things in mid. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2. This will be store code. I'll take some random codes. Enter. We'll drag this down. We'll select all and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll select whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll adjust the column size. We'll take all the things in center. Now I'll copy store code, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll leave column C blank. We'll take this closer. We'll paste over here, Ctrl+V or Command+V. We'll delete text from here. We'll adjust the column size. Now I'll drag this till F. This will be equipments, department, person accountable. Enter. We'll increase column size. I'll take equipment details from my example file. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll go to my blank format and we'll paste over here, Ctrl+V or Command+V. So my equipment list got created. I'll take column G closer. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C and we'll paste over here. We'll delete the text. We'll increase the column size. This will be priority. Urgent, high, medium and low. Enter. We'll select all and we'll create borders. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. So setting sheet is ready now. I'll insert another sheet. This will be snag list. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home and we'll align all the things in mid. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B4. This will be serial number, equipments, department, issues, person accountable or responsible. We'll adjust the column size. Annual maintenance contract. In bracket, we will take AMC. Bracket close. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll wrap the text. We'll select row number 4 and we'll align all the things in center. We'll change the font style. We'll adjust the column size. Current AMC date, AMC renewal date. Enter. We'll adjust the column size and we'll adjust the row size. Let's create data for these heads and later on we will go ahead. We'll select all the heads and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. Serial number. I'll put 1. Enter. We'll drag this till 15th. We'll drag move. I'll select all the heads and we'll select till bottom. And we'll create borders. Department will be fully formulated, so I'll put some color over here. We'll copy this and we'll paste in person account table, Ctrl V or Command V, and we'll paste in AMC renewal date also, Ctrl V or Command V, because all this will be fully formulated. Equipments. I'll take equipment list from my example file. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C, we'll go to my blank format and we'll paste over here, Ctrl V or Command V. We'll adjust the column size. Department. I'll use VLOOKUP over here and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Equipment's name will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select equipments from top till person account table. We press function F4 or F4 and the range will be logged, comma. We want department, means we want name of the department. We started selection of VLOOKUP from equipments, so equipment will be column index number 1 and department will be column index number 2. So I'll put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket, but before hitting enter, I'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got name of the department. I'll drag this down. We'll adjust the column size. Issues. We have to insert the issues manually. I'll increase the size. I'll put some issues over here. So I have inserted 2 issues. Person account table. For person account table, we will use the function or formula of VLOOKUP. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Lookup value will be department, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select from department and person account table. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the range will be logged, comma, column index number. We started the selection of VLOOKUP from department, so department will be column index number 1 and person account table will be column index number 2. So I'll put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket, but before hitting enter, I'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got name of accountable person as Asthan. We'll drag this down. Annual maintenance contract, AMC. We will create drop down for this. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list. Source, it will be yes, comma, no, and I'll do OK. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type yes. We'll click on drop down, customized format, font, I'll select green color and font will be bold and I'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and I'll type no over here. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, font. For no, font color will be red and it will be bold and I'll do OK. OK. So our drop down got created as well as it got highlighted. We'll select yes. We'll drag this down. For few equipments, I'll select as no. Perfect. Current AMC date. I'll take some random dates. Enter. We'll click on top. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll align all the things in left. We'll align the head in center. Now I'll drag this down. We'll come to right, AMC renewal date, and the renewal date will be plus or equal to current date plus 365 days. But on safer side, I'll put as 364 days. Enter. We'll take this in left. We'll drag this down. Now I'll copy the head, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste over here. We'll delete the text. We'll drag this to right. We'll come to left. We'll click over here. This will be days pending, store code, ticket number or complaint number, priority, information date, completion date, I'll increase column size, pending from, I'll increase column size. We'll click over here, we'll go to formula bar and we'll click just after from. We'll press Alt and we'll hit enter. Bracket open, days, bracket close and I'll hit enter. We'll increase column size over here. Time taken in completion, enter. Status, and this will be remarks or comments, enter. We'll increase the column size of comments or remarks. We'll click on AMC renewal date. We'll press Shift Control, down arrow key, right arrow key, and we'll insert borders. Days pending, our formula will be plus or equal to AMC renewal date minus today. Bracket open, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. We got some error. We'll click on top. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to category and we'll select format as general format and we'll do OK. We'll align all the things in center. So the status is minus 207 days. I'll change current AMC date. We'll do as August. Enter. So only 5 days are pending for the renewal. We'll drag this down. We'll change all current AMC dates. We'll click just under days pending and we'll select till end. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, between I'll put as 21 and 30. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select green color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. So when the days will be between 21 and 30, it will be highlighted automatically in green. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, between, this time I'll put 20 and 11. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select yellow color and font will be black. OK. So when the pending days will be between 20 and 11, it will be automatically highlighted in yellow. We'll do OK. So our days got highlighted. We'll insert one more criteria or condition. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, less than, or I'll do it less than or equal to. I'll put 10. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. So when the days will be less or equal to 10, it will be automatically highlighted in red. Store code. I'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source. We'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select store codes from top to bottom. I'll select few extra cells. In case store codes will be increased, you will not have to change the range, and we'll do OK. So the store code dropdown got created. I'll select couple of codes. Ticket number. Ticket number will be fully formulated. So I'll put gray color over here. We'll go to home and we'll change the color. The formula of ticket number will be based on information date. So right now I'll leave this blank. We'll go to priority. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source. We'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left and we'll select priority from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So the drop down list got created. We'll select all the priorities. Now I'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type urgent. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to high. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color, font will be white. OK. OK. So urgent and high will be automatically highlighted in red. For medium and low, I'll put some different color. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and I'll type medium. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select yellow color, font will be black, and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type low. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, and from here I'll select green color and font will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. So all the priorities got highlighted. Whenever we will select any priority, it will be automatically highlighted. I'll delete this. Information date. I'll select information date and completion date from top. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. I'll put some random dates over here. Enter. We'll align this in left. We'll drag this down. Copy cells. Completion date. I'll copy this and we'll paste over here. Ctrl V or Command V. We'll change the dates. So I have taken random completion dates pending from days, and the formula will be plus or equal to today, bracket open, bracket close. This is the formula through which we get today's date. If I'll hit enter, I got my today's date. We'll click on top, we'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll align this in left. We'll align the head in center. So this is my today's date. Based on today's function, I'll create my formula. So I'll delete this. Formula will be plus or equal to today, bracket open, bracket close, minus information date. And I'll hit enter. We'll click on top. We'll press Ctrl 1. Here we can see date format. We'll go to general and we'll do OK. So we got the number. We'll align all the things in center. So we got pending from days, but we will have to insert few criterias. And the criterias will be, once we put completion date, pending from days should move to time taken in completion, and accordingly status should change. So I'll go to formula bar and we'll put the criteria of if bracket open, logical test, we'll click on information date is equal to 0. If the information date will be 0, comma, what we want in return? We want blank. So I'll put double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma, close, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will insert one more criteria. We'll go to formula bar once again. If bracket open, logical test. This time our logical test will be completion date. If the completion date will be greater than 0, comma, double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma, close, comma, if the completion date will be greater than 0, over here we want blank or dash. I'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we can see dash over here now. If I'll delete completion date, I'm able to see pending from days. Now I'll come over here, time taken in completion. Let me drag this down. Time taken in completion, and the formula will be plus or equal to completion date minus information date, and I'll hit enter. We'll align all the things in left. We'll align the head in center. We can see some random figure. We'll go to formula bar and over here we will put the criteria of if bracket open, completion date is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. If the completion date will be blank, what we want in return? We want blank. So I'll put comma, double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma, close, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So time taken in completion is blank right now. I'll click on top and we'll align all the things in center. Now if I'll put some completion date over here, let's see what result we are going to get. I'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste over here. So time taken in completion is 1 day. And if I'll put today's date over here, means 25th of July, enter. Time taken in completion is 5 days. I'll drag this down. Status. I'll delete some completion dates from here. So now we can see some pending days and some time taken in completion days. Status. I'll come to right. I'll click just under status and the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open, logical test. So first logical test will be pending from days is equal to blank. I'll put double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma, close, comma. If nothing will be visible in pending from days, we want done. So I'll put double inverted comma, done, double inverted comma, close, comma. We will put one more condition of if over here. If bracket open, completion in days is equal to blank. So I'll put double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma, close. In case you don't want to put dash, just put double inverted comma twice together, comma. double inverted comma, pending. If you want, you can put not done also. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will close the bracket till it doesn't get black, and we'll hit enter. So we got done over here. We will insert one more criteria of if over here. We'll go to formula bar if bracket open information date is equal to 0 or blank, comma, double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma close, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. If the information date will be blank, status will also be blank. Great. I'll undo this. Now I'll select this from top to bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type done. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, and from here I'll select green color for done. Font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type pending. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select the red color for pending and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. Now I'll drag my formula. Perfect. From here I'll delete some information date and completion date. And if there is no date in status, we can see blank. Comments. Comments can be anything of your choice. Now we will come to left. We'll click on B2 and we'll select till G. We'll merge this together. We'll increase row size. We'll decrease size of row number 3. We'll decrease size of row number 1 also. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be snag list or maintenance follow-up log. Enter. We'll come to right. We'll select H and I and we'll merge this together. We'll merge J, K and L. We'll select both cells and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be year. Enter. And over here I'll put 2024-25. Enter. We'll select till end and we'll put red color over here. We'll come to left. We'll select till end. We'll go to borders and we'll insert outside border. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. Perfect. I totally forgot to show how to generate ticket number. So I'll show you in my example file. I'll delete all this and the formula for ticket number will be plus or equal to left, bracket open, text. We will come to left and we'll click on issues and we'll come to right hand side and we'll click on information date and we will come to left and we'll click on first serial number, comma, 2, bracket close, through and we will connect all the cells. Means we will connect all the text of cells and left will count left value. I have put 2 over here. So our formula will count just 2 values from the left. We'll come to formula bar and now I'll put right. Right, bracket open. We'll click on issues and we'll come to right and we'll click on information date and we'll go to left and we'll click on serial number, comma, 4, bracket close. Right will count text from right. And how many text is going to count? 4. We will insert one more criteria over here. If, bracket open, logical test. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on information date is equal to blank. If the information date will be blank, what we want in return? We want blank. So I'll put comma, double inverted comma, dash, double inverted comma close, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So our ticket number got generated. We will drag this down. Now if our date will change, means information date will change, ticket number will change automatically. So our format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. But the download option is only for channel members. In case you want to download the file, you'll have to join the channel membership. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.